Hello everyone, this is my review of these heavy-duty latex gloves. Their 14mm in thickness offers robust protection and outstanding durability, making them ideal for challenging work environments. These gloves are powder-free and textured to provide excellent grip so you can handle items securely. With a 12-inch length, they offer ample coverage for your hands and arms and help shield you from chemicals and rough surfaces. Packaged in a box of 50, these gloves are cost-effective and reliable solution for anyone who needs high-quality protective gear. I highly recommend